Happy trip! Uy. So guys, tingnan nyo naman, grabe ang ganda dito sa Nature Hot Spring Resort. The water bike is there. Oh my goodness, it's so beautiful. Each room has a rooster and their mini jacuzzi pool. It's so refreshing here, I think, in the morning. If you see that, and that one, this is awesome. Hi guys, welcome to my vlog. So we're here in Nature Spring Resort, and this is Rick feeling sleepy. It's brown out today, guys, so Rick is feeling very hot because we can't use any fan. We cannot we're having a day tour here in Nature Hot Spring Resort. So far this is just the entrance. We're going around. We're gonna roam around so I can show you what's inside this Nature Hot Spring Resort. So let's go. Alright, so bago ko kayo i-tour around the Nature Spring, dito muna tayo. We're approaching the Irosin, okay? Actually, it's already Irosin, and we're approaching going to Nature Hot Spring Resort. So this is the main highway of Irosin, and yeah, we need to turn left if you are from Sorsogon, and if you see this Bagsangan. So if you see this Bagsangan, you need to turn left and just follow this narrow road going to Nature Hot Spring Resort. It's not only this Nature, okay? There are so many resorts in this area. You just need to choose wherever you want, or you just need to search which resort is best for you to go. Stay overnight, day tour, or a week, or a month, whatever you want. So anyway, this narrow road is leading to Nature Hot Spring Resort, and it takes 40 minutes, by the way, if you have your own vehicle from Sorsogon City. Grabe, yan. Inabot kami ng ulan dito sa Nature Hot Spring. So anyway, ito lang yung cottage na kinaan namin. Medyo maliit. Ito lang yung front. Okay, tapos may sarili siyang CR dyan. Ayan. So this is their parking area here in Nature Hot Spring Resort. So actually guys, this is the road here. And this place here in Irosin is full of resorts here. You can find here the 401k, Modesta, Vida, and San Binon, and too many resorts still going there. So as you can see, it's surrounded by mountains actually. And now I turn off the camera, and this is their entrance, Nature Spring Resort. So Rick get his water bottle in the car. And actually guys, the main highway is going that way. Alright, so on the right side, when you're going to that area, to that part I mean, then you can see on the right side the Nature Hot Spring Resort. So silipin natin what's inside of this Nature Hot Spring Resort. So this is, you need to pay your entrance here. Okay, so for the day tour guys, the cottage cost 1,000 something, and that is aside excluding the that is old. They already changed the rate. So here is, this is their old because now the senior citizen is 80 right now, is I don't know how much is it. So actually the entrance here per head is 106 per head, and so this is a part of this is one like for overnight stay, hotel and lodging, and this is also another room
know.
What? And this is also another room. So that is their, they have there for the room rates, you know, aircon rooms with mini pool, flowing hot water. Huh? What is it? Ah, okay. So in this part, it looks very nice, right? So let's come in here. Okay. So this area also is all air-conditioned room. Okay, you just need to inquire. You can find in their Facebook page, Nature Hot Spring Resort. So this is their mini pool for this room. And they have here like a little lounge with some, you know, wines, liquors. All right, so let's go back. Let's go see around more. So there's 2,000, 3,000, 4,000, 6,000, and right. Okay, let's go in this part. Okay, so here is a public, like if you want to rinse, and there. Let's see somewhere here what we can find in this part. So there's a garden, very spacious, and oh, this is a lime. Huh? I don't know. Try maybe. Okay, so we're gonna go have a tour around here, and okay. Oh, this is very nice, guys. So there, in each room, there they have letters. So J, H, G, G, I, J. So I don't know how many rooms they have. From A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. This is also rooms K, L. Oh wow, there's a coconut here. Look, beautiful. Oh, they have the they have the mini pool, jacuzzi. Nice. It's very nice. Okay, let's go walk around. Okay, so this is their jacuzzi. So that looks like jacuzzi in one room, right? Very nice. So each room has their own pool and has a rooster. Like you can see. So beautiful. Here. Go. Is it deep? Huh?
Yes.
Okay. Let's go here. Here, this is their service. If you want to go to other, wow, they have e-bike service. So if you want a room, like they will, this is the one that will take you to your destined room. And this is the nature resort. They have a good restaurant, nice restaurant. Wow, look at this. Oh, cool. Rick, this is so cool. Oh, wow. This looks very cool here at the back of the Nature Hot Spring Resort. Oh, that's why. This is the one that we can see from the main highway. This part. So here they have here. Okay. This is very cool. Like this looks like a mini golf. And this is where the water bike is. Kuya, magkano yung water bike?
Ito pa.
Oo.
250 kalahating oras.
Ah, 250. Isang tao lang.
Dalawa kasi dalawa.
Ah, okay. Wait. I'm gonna ask them. Wow. Wow. Ano to? Man-made talaga to? Man-made?
Ano? Lagoon.
They have a big fish, Rick. Karpa?
Hindi, yung koy na tilapia.
Koi. Oh, yan oh, orange. Guys, you can see yung orange color. Ayan, ang daming isda. Yan. Ito kasi yung nakita ko sa Facebook. Yung, yung water bike. Guys, grabe, ang ganda dito sa nature hot spring resort, guys. So, try to find their page in Facebook. So, ito yung nakikita ko kasi, kaya kami napunta dito. So, that is the one that I'm telling. When we pass on the main road, that, I said eagle, but it's a rooster. So, it means that is the main highway on that.
Yeah, that we saw last year.
Right, correct. And this is the one that,
The road you turned down.
yeah, and it's very nice. I mean, it looks so cool. It's really good, and they're still making it bigger here, and they're still making a lot of rooms. So actually, guys, they're getting popular. This nature hot spring resort. So construction are still ongoing, so they can accommodate more people, tourists here. And the good thing about here is you can have that water bike here. It's so cool. So the main highway is on that part, and yeah. Oh, this is awesome, right? At least we got a little time to walk here before I will jump in the pool with the kids, and also look at their it's very naturey. It's 250 pesos per half an hour to ride at the water bike. Would you like to try? Maybe it's cool to try. I will tell my sister and she. So this is like a lagoon. I asked the guy a while ago. Yeah, look, too many fish.
It's fish or koi.
Yeah, koi, tilapia. Maybe we pass in this in the middle one, babe. We can have a walk here. Guys, this is amazing. Super cool here. Wow, Rick, so refreshing here. I think in the morning, if you see that, and that one, this is awesome. You can have picture here. So guys, tingnan nyo naman, grabe, ang ganda dito sa Nature Hot Spring Resort. The water bike is there. Oh my goodness, it's so beautiful. Yeah, I'm turning you around. Look at that. Nice. So let's go more on wandering around here. Guys, it's so refreshing here. You know, I think you can really appreciate the ambience here, you know, not at the entrance. Okay, here for the main part, because once you see this, when you wake up in the morning, if you see that kind of view, and it's so relaxing, the atmosphere, and they have restaurant here, they have a little bar here, nature resort, you know, you can drink, and so beautiful. It's so beautiful. What else can I say? Well, we're just having a day tour here. So my family, the kids are enjoying their swim, and we're going back to them. Or I want to see more spots here. Okay, let's go, babe. Come, Rick. So this is their service, going to their destined room. Ayan. Here there's another. What this spot is going there? I want to see. That's another one. Guys, looks very cool. It's very nice. This is the deep deep pool. Maybe if we want to swim, we can swim here. So if you notice, each room has a rooster in their mini jacuzzi pool. Actually, guys, here in nature, this is the hot water. Yeah, it's hot water there. They said so. And this is a room temperature water. Yeah, so different rooster. I'm thinking we need to ask why it's rooster. It's rooster. What's the story behind the rooster? Yeah, so this is their like family room. So room has too many beds. So there is a standard, regular, and you see that jackfruit. Very nice, right? Okay, turning around. And this is also one restaurant here that you can order. And I saw here, we're gonna walk there. I just want to see this fruit. Look, guys, I will show you something. Kind of fruit. I don't know what the fruit is this. I don't know if this is the magic fruit. And there's a jackfruit over there. And okay, let's go on this side. Alright, let's see this part here. So this is the function hall if you have an event. So I don't know how many people it can accommodate. Probably 50, hundreds. And everyone is there. Look. Yeah, so this another pool here. And they have also like a slide. Mainit. 250. 250. 2 person. Water bike.
Ito na ako at hotspring ho, maun mi kayo.
Yan. O, diba? Ang ganda ng ano. May slide pa sila. Tingnan natin guys dito sa part na to kung ano pang meron. Actually, hindi ko dito nakita kung anong meron. So ito, ayan, bihisan. And then yan. Ito, diba? Oh, ganda. Ganda talaga, oh. So, doon kami. Yan, dyan. Okay, silipin natin kung anong meron dito. Ito, medyo tago. So, medyo ano siya dito. Ayan, hidden. Naka-hide. Oh. Yeah, ay, bongalicious. Tingnan natin kung paano to, secret door. Jar. Oh, meron pa pala dyan. Okay. Ayan. Guys, diba? Ang ganda. Maganda dito guys sa ano, nature spring. Ayan. Ayan, ito guys, pang kiddie lang siya. Okay, at ito mga pang dater dito. So, oh, mag-hello ka mo. Hello!
Hello! Hello!
Ayan. Yarn. Wow! Yan, oh. Ayan, ito na guys yung mag-assist sa amin para sa water bike. Yan. Oh, excited na yan si Andre. Doon. Yan. Oh, Andre. Okay. Dito tayo. Yan. Oh, diba? Andre, dito tayo. Antayin natin dito, oh. Sa may ano.
Ay, wala sila live best.
Eh, mga 10 minutes na kami.
Talaga, dire yan.
Yeah.
Ay,
Kuya,
So,
ano mama? Pwede ba
oh, yan.
Ay, bilis, sawat na. Ay, bilis, bilis. Ha? Ito na, kinuha pa, ta? Ay, may pala ka?
Ano ka ma-exercise sama. Para
Baka kanira
bright man.
Kabutangan niya.
Basi mahulog.
Kaya may matis.
Sige daw lang.
Kasi magulit na ka mo susugon, ha?
Happy trip! Ayun guys, nag-enjoy na nga sila dito sa water bike na to. Yun, oh, di ba? Exciting. Ayan, susunod kami naman. Ah, di ba? Kabongga, oh. Ang galing dito talaga guys sa nature park. Ito yung at least paano the kids will enjoy, the family will enjoy. Ayan, lahat mag-i-enjoy kasi marami kayong pwedeng paglibangan. Yan, oh. Na ano, dapat nakachinelas? Ano dito ka din ah? So, dito ka sa ano ni Agabo.
Pwede mama dila solo?
Dili. Sige lang.
Wow, bagal na lang dito. Ganda.
Ang Tom and Jerry ko. Be, kita mo di. Shh.
Pagkakaroon si mama.
Landscape daw po.
Ay,
Video na landscape. Huwag may time pa. Ay, ka na mamakel. Tapos banggo natin na rin yun. Ano, karera ka namin siya. Baka yung mga diba?